So I'm continuing with the bathroom renovation. It was on hold because I wanted to do the painting of the kitchen and the hallway. And now I'm continuing with covering the walls in the shower corner and the floor as well with hydro isolation. Although these boards already are waterproofed, and this white stuff also secures the connection between the boards and the screw heads. I still want to have extra insurance in the shower area, which is really that you have the highest content of water. And yeah, it's an old wooden house. I just want to have this extra bit of insurance. So I will show you how I'm continuing with this bathroom renovation. So I have my hydro isolation mats here. I also have a roller and a brush for the corners. This is like reinforcement, like not exactly tape, but yeah, I hope you get the point. And this here is some reinforcement around the drainage. So I'm going to cover the whole floor with this hydro isolation mass, and it's crucial to cover all the surfaces before using this hydro isolation mass with the correct primer, so it ensures that this stuff will get stuck on the floor and on the walls as well. So as you can see, this stuff on the walls, it has a bit of like a glow. It's a bit shiny. This is the primer, and I covered the floor with it as well. So yeah, and this area here, like these are for the shower. I think I will take 1 meter from the corner and until this door as well, like the wettest area. So I'm covering these walls and the corners. Corners I will reinforce, but all the walls with hydro isolation and 2 coats on the floor definitely, and all the corners on the wall and the floor I will reinforce with this tape here. But other than that, like these walls are around the toilet, and it's also waterproof, so I'm not going to cover this area outside the shower area. covered the floor second time with this hydro isolation mass. I let it dry for 24 hours, and now this room is ready for tiling. Yeah. So this small bathroom is now sealed. So I have hydro isolation on the wall and on the floor 2 layers, and on the walls I have this water resistant construction board, and on the ceiling I installed this aluminium covered layer, and I taped all the corners and all this stuff around the pipes as well. So I know this is like water vapor proof because you get a lot of water vapor in your bathroom, especially in this small bathroom, and because it's in an old log house, I want to be sure that it's waterproof where it has to be waterproof, and the whole structure is at least water vapor proof.